Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Today I want to show you how to replace the blade in an older Stanley utility knife. This happens to be a 10-079. Of course you'll need a Phillips screwdriver to take that screw out, and there's only two things you need to know: how the blade fits into this slide, and then how this slide fits back into the handle. There's my extra blades right here. Let's take the whole slide assembly out, which has that blade captured. So this tab right here is bent over, and this slot, that slot captures the blade. And so you get an idea of where you're supposed to put the blade, because here's another stop. So work it in there. Now all you need to know is how this slide fits back into the handle. There's the T-shaped piece, and I'm going to put it in that farthest slot. And when it's right, when it's lined up just right, you see it'll just drop right down in there. Once again, use that stop as a reference. And I can feel where this tab has captured it, and the blade is up behind it. And then go ahead and put this T-piece here into the handle all the way to the back. Let it drop down in there, and you'll feel when it's right. When it's seated down in there, and just put it back together and try it out.